2 years prior, Honda solicited a couple from its World Touring Car and British Touring Car Championship drivers to set self-confirmed lap records at 5 memorable European tracks in a 2016 the Civic Type R. The automakers assembling another record-chasing bazaar for the new Civic Type R, and have asked ex-Formula 1 driver and F1 world champion Jenson Button to lead a ragtag band of peak hot shoes for what's called Honda's Civic Type R Time Attack 2018. The last program of drivers and tracks is still underway, yet we know the wheelmen incorporate Button and his kindred NSX Super GT driver Bertrand Baguette, and World Touring Car drivers Tiago Monteiro and Esteban Guerrieri. The 5 tracks from the last go-round will highlight, which means excursions to Silverstone, Spa-Francorchamps, Monza, Estoril and the Hungaroring. Despite the fact that the Civic Type R holds the present record for front-wheel drive generation autos at the Nürburgring Nordschleife, we're sure Button and co will visit it. After a touch of YouTube paleontology, we found that Honda wasn't first to the possibility of a Type R track visit. In 1997, a group of ace drivers took the 190-pull Integra Type R, the primary Type R to turn a wheel outside of Japan, to 9 tracks from England's Silverstone to Austria's A1 Ring, now the Red Bull Ring. The car was essentially a homologation unique, so work serious to construct, that Honda could just deliver 25 every day, and the carmaker lost cash on each one. In any case, the group behind the lap visit needed to advance the racer's entrance in the N1 2.0-liter class. The 306 horsepower Civic Type R will keep running in stock frame and with street-legitimate tires, however don't be astounded by the expansion of a moved confine. We'll get our first take a gander at the 2018 Time Attack Civic Type R at the Geneva Motor Show 1 week from now.